Tablo sent his friend Bong Tae Kyu a coffee truck on the set of Return. Epik high's Tablo showed support for his good friend Bong Tae Kyu. On February 28, Bong Tae Kyu's agency Epik Korea posted photos of the actor standing in front of a coffee truck and said, on the 27th, Epik high's Tablo sent a coffee truck to the set of SBS's Return. Sumpi. Display. News. English. 300 by 250. Mobile. English. 300 by 250. ATF. The coffee truck was adorned with sweet messages from Tablo. At the top of the truck, it said, "I love you Tae Kyu. Cheers everyone." On another banner, it read, "Actor Bong Tae Kyu, all of the actors, and staff. I wish you all well." Bong Tae Kyu proudly smiled in front of the truck and raised his arms to thank Tablo for the sweet gesture. The two have been friends since they were young and their close friendship is well known in the industry. According to the staff, the coffee truck was energizing for both Bong Tae Kyu and the staff who were exhausted from the packed filming schedule. On Return, Bong Tae Kyu plays the role of Kim Hak-bum, a professor at the Myeongseung Theological Foundation, and one of the suspects of a murder. Watch the latest episode of Return now.